Welcome to your daily digest of the top regulatory and compliance news impacting the life sciences and healthcare industries. Today, we're bringing you the 5 most critical updates from the last 24 hours, specifically for 2025, that you need to know. Number 1, the FDA is intensifying its scrutiny on drug advertising, particularly within direct-to-consumer or DTC channels. The FDA's Office of Prescription Drug Promotion has issued a high volume of warning letters, signaling a crackdown on misleading claims, especially from compounding pharmacies and telehealth companies. This aggressive stance, aiming to return to a 1990s paradigm of frequent enforcement, emphasizes strict adherence to regulatory standards for all promotional practices. For professionals in GRC, this means reassessing all labeling, promotional statements, and social media content to ensure greater transparency and avoid significant enforcement risks. Next up, number 2, the FDA has released updated cybersecurity guidance for medical devices. Issued in June 2025, this guidance makes cybersecurity a lifecycle obligation for medical device manufacturers, expanding the definition of a cyber device to include more connected devices. It mandates third-party component transparency through SPOMs and requires demonstrating how security objectives are addressed based on intended use and potential for harm. Medical device manufacturers must now prioritize cybersecurity from design to decommissioning, adopting a secure product development framework and robust risk management practices. Moving on to number 3, we're seeing increased enforcement of the False Claims Act in healthcare and life sciences. The Department of Justice and HHS have formed a new FCA enforcement task force, specifically targeting pharmaceutical, medical device, and healthcare industries. This task force will prioritize investigations into potential violations of the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, intervening in whistleblower suits and suspending payments based on fraud allegations. Companies in these sectors should expect heightened scrutiny. Enhanced compliance programs, proactive risk assessments, and thorough internal audits are now more crucial than ever. Next, number 4, there's a significant focus on AI and machine learning in medical devices. The FDA is actively seeking public input on regulating AI-enabled medical devices, especially those with evolving machine learning algorithms, emphasizing transparency and data quality. With over 1,200 AI applications expected to be certified by July 2025, the FDA's December 2024 guidance on predetermined change control plans is a key regulatory innovation. Innovators must understand this evolving AI regulatory landscape, building robust data infrastructure, and focusing on continuous monitoring for their AI-based medical devices. Finally, number 5. Updates to HIPAA enforcement and penalties are now in effect. As of 2025, the HHS has implemented updated civil monetary penalties, significantly raising the stakes for HIPAA noncompliance, with the OCR ramping up privacy and security enforcement. Key changes include elevating all implementation specifications to required status and reducing the breach notification timeframe from 60 days to just 24 hours. Healthcare organizations must conduct updated risk assessments, revise policies, and train all staff regularly to ensure full compliance and prepare for breaches proactively. Thank you for joining us for today's Regulatory and Compliance News Digest. Stay tuned for tomorrow's updates, keeping you informed and ahead in the dynamic world of life sciences and healthcare regulations.